Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Shazi Info. In this video, you will learn how to use a sound panel or sound hardware. So, if we want to change setting in a sound driver, we just need to write here sound, and the sound control panel will show that the sound hardware is here, and if you want to change the setting of sound, you can change setting from here. So the first option is speaker. If you change the setting of speaker, you can click on speaker and press right click from the mouse. The first thing is configure speaker. So if you want to configure the speaker, you just need to test, so you can listen the voice of computer that it is working, that it is in working condition. So you can check it. So we will cancel it, and now again we will test. So the second condition of test is that this row will be converted into green bars. So the next is headphone. If you want to check that whether headphones are working or not, you need to click here, and headphone, because we have not plugged in headphone, that's why it will not be tested. The test option will not show until the headphones are being plugged in computer. So that is the difference. The next is digital audio. You don't need to click it because it's the hardware setting. It is by default setting. You don't need to click on that. So the next is recording. So if you record the audio, or if you want to record the audio through microphone or through mic, you can make setting from here. So the next thing is you need to click here configure speech recognition. It will redirect you to a next window. So the first thing is start speech recognition, and we will click here, and we will see a dialog box here, and we will click on the next. So if you have a headset microphone, you can see here the headphone icons shows that if it is placed, so you can click it and click the next button. So we don't have the headphones, that's why we cannot recognize the speech. So if we click on the next, and we will click on next, so we have to read these lines. Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. So we have to click on this. Now we will click on next. The computer did not hear you very clearly. It means that we didn't place a computer headphone on this computer. So that's why we have to cancel this, and we will click on yes. The second option is if you set a microphone, you can check it from here. So that is the main setting of control panel sound hardware. So if you did not still subscribe my channel Shazi Info, please subscribe my channel.